called Keep Calm and Check Your Temperature. I chose this project because I wanted to know how thermometers work. We try not to get COVID-19, so my mom and dad check my temperature a lot to see if I have a fever or not. They use a thermometer. I wanted to learn how that shows you the temperature. My experiment was to make my own thermometers using 3 different liquids and to see which worked best and fastest. It was also to see what happened to the liquids in hot water and in ice-cold water. My hypothesis was that the thermometer made with water would work fastest. Here is my hypothesis. I thought the liquids in the thermometers would go up when placed in hot water and down when placed in cold water. I tried to make my own thermometers using these procedures. Here are my procedures. I labeled 3 different bottles and put different liquids. Into each bottle, I made 1, a water one, 2, a rubbing alcohol one, and 3, one that is half water and half rubbing alcohol. The different types of liquids are my variables. I put in food coloring in each bottle so that I can see the liquid move better. I put a clear straw into the bottle to see how much the liquids move. I use clay to hold up the straw. I then put all the bottles in hot water to see if the liquid moves up or down. I also put them in cold water to see if the liquid moves up or down. The hot and cold water were also my variables. My result was that the thermometer made with rubbing alcohol worked best and was fastest. The one made with water was the slowest. Here are my results. The thermometers in hot water moved the liquid up. The thermometers in the cold ice water moved the liquid down. Here is some data. The liquid in the straw for the rubbing alcohol thermometer at 1 room temperature was at 1 centimeter. 2, in hot water, it went up to 20 centimeters. 3, in cold ice water, it went down to 1 centimeter. I learned that the thermometers work because of thermal expansion. With heat, the liquid expands or gets bigger, so it goes up. With cold, the liquid contracts or gets small, so it goes down. clear pools of hot water. This is 3 clear pools of ice cold water, rubbing alcohol. 3 glass bottles, water, ruler, thermometer, measuring cup. 3 clear straws, food coloring, modeling clay. Well, let's get started. I'm drawing straws with the line each bottle. Mix it. Drawn. Make sure it's a different color for each bottle. 1 centimeter deep only. And next, hot water parrot. Help me. Then put the modeling clay on the straw like a lid with no hole. And last is half water and half rubbing alcohol. 60 degrees Celsius. The ice water is water is 0 degrees Celsius. At room temperature, the liquid in the straw is at 1 centimeter for all 3 liquids. Let's try putting them in hot water for 5 minutes. Wow, the blue is going up the fastest. Blue is first, and red is second, and green